Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2017 Honda CB300F with ABS. This bike only has 136 miles and is offered for $46.49 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is one of the 300 series, kind of lightweight sport bikes that Honda makes. Awesome bike, super comfortable, great for in town or if you want to commute on it, very lightweight. It's got that sleek, naked style without the upper fairings. Again, the bike only has 136 miles. It's essentially brand new. We're super excited to have it in stock because Honda's had some supply chain challenges and we haven't seen many new ones of these, so we're excited to have this one in stock. It's been gone through by our service department. We did an oil change and a safety check on it. She's all dialed in and ready to go. We can provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 45 to 50 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.